What happened at your work that made everyone quit at once? Many years ago in high school, I worked at a movie theater. The place was pretty poorly run from the moment I started working there. We never got paid on time, and the management team was basically a bunch of lazy jerks who sat in the office talking all day, never actually doing any managing. It would have been hard for things to get worse, but after a couple of months, they brought in a new management team, who seemed to make running the theater as poorly as possible their personal mission. They first decided to implement a new policy, requiring all projectionists to wear ties, despite the fact that projectionists were never seen by the public. Not to mention that the projectionists worked around giant, rapidly spinning objects that a tie could easily get caught in. The management team refused to reconsider the policy, and as a result, every single projectionist quit. Then, they decided that the door staff, I was one of them, who used to be scheduled 7 days a week, would now only work on weekends. They also refused to give us shifts at the snack counter on weekdays, which meant we would get paid less. Because of this, almost all the door staff quit.